ai ki ho na to ki sai banga che le pu Amit Shah na don na lung ki moin to kon pia hin na thi ya le
tuma mai na Union Home Minister Amit Shah to ITLF help te ki ho khom khin chatwa sot ma ti ki ho ka tu khom wa ITLF lama ki padina memorandum ki pia in I demand teo political demand total separation from Manipur le gamsung law and order to kisai tulai ta ka omlo luang silwang tampi ki kapton tampi omjaka akin thei pena singtang mite hinna kembit na din na president rule han po inchi te bang laking na wai chang na ipoi mo ton tuam relief and rehabilitation ai kele security point of view billawi dante security force tam da sema poi di bang laking na wai chang na helicopter service apolam outside world taki connect hello hi chang na helicopter service lamka kipat Aizol Dimapur Guwahati Kangpupi apat Aizol Dimapur Guwahati chite han paisak ding le education te kisaya haksan na ton tomito ateo affiliation CBSE ke Mizoram board ai ke le medical le engineer institution te a class la thelo lak thelo je kwa mundanga notice te mundanga akai thi te khong mangle ki ge na wai chang na initiative bang le buyut identified bola hoy taka buyut honorable taka buyut ka hidano hidano khakigena wailo point nang tampile kigena wailo court case khong ai thi pilo wain fala hereng na pai chi te pang mang le hoy episok lodan kigena aman le issue te the hoy ma aman again na akin thei pena political solution le ngai to kahiu kigen to gige himala to boina ahong tun jaka kigen jam thelo hi dan ge na special committee khatchata pa singtang mi te le me te la political demand ka sai ho na talks khap kinai pale chi kha awudan ya waija kina ni som langa sung back peace and maintain hamun la waisunga peace som lo changena talks political talks kinai theloi manina akwa na anaki restrain on la violence in lawin ana saute na koi khotun la ni som langa sung hunan pe la waisungina na political solution diu kon ngai to atiu chi kha ma na pan nget na
banga ma ai tuan thil nget thil phut tuam te to ki sai na lamet thoi hun to kin na thi ya
aman chu waidan pe nowadenga nakivai hom na dio na political solution u khaka ngai to sao hi ya hai boina nan lap jaka ki ngai to zomlo hi dan gena wai jakina hunon peun la kon ngai to chi jakina hop om thoin ka sa hele bang chata chi penjo gen ke hile nowadea viable solution chu hon musak dikhai cha wai bana hei iboina to ki sai kha kwa ma influence tello central apat CBI le judicial inquiry kha han sol pa di kahya taka investigation kwa ma subboiler investigation ki bolin chin khutkhial te chu khutkhial mi tol that te chu ki panis te hi ki hoilo de chi te chang takena gena robana district hospital asida yam te et colony to kisaina delhi akipatina team giat doctors khan sol de hi jing chang hal changa angtung dingu I hospital lo doctor ki samai changa wai te pan pi de kha department tom doctor len sol chi ko ya le khabon ka gel khave ka to na memory na ka ve kena ka gen the ke ya ama holim dana chu hopeful ka sathawa ile politician hi ya politician de khami pite ki para de again angai na mai ahia himale muang himem pon na have faith in us achia waja kina en ki meeting join le ki gen na peace na chia an restrain na pangpin chia hilemin han ate kule kapano ngai hi chi te khoi ta kina ka gen pia ken le analong kham ken borderline security asa da sema tuni ma thu bidi ka hi chi achia waja kina mi piten le apu Amit Shah ka atugian kanyo imuano apoy mo kasa.
Timeline has not been given for the grant of separate administration. And so what is your next course of action?
From our side, yes, since the Indian Home Minister is requesting us to refrain from violence, yes, we are always peaceful. The tribals are always peaceful. It's just that when our villages are being attacked, we have to defend ourselves. I have personally also told him after the meeting that, sir, you were talking about peace and to refrain from violence, but if our villages are being attacked, we have no choice but to defend ourselves. He told me that yes, we understand. He understood that point, and he will be putting more security in the border area so that the villager don't have to defend ourselves.
Next course of action. Can you say something?
Right. We will have faith with Amit Shah words. So we will look and see what will happen in the next few days, maybe 15 days. So if, like I said before, if we are being attacked, we have no choice but to defend ourselves. But if the other part also refrain, we will also maintain peace. And if we are being attacked, we will defend our land until the last breath. So that's how we will be. So as for now, we have faith with Amit Shah's word. So we will be maintaining peace as far as possible.
Ito niya kiho nato kisay banga pu Amit Shah ang ho nato kisaya ay telefina na pakiho naulo jinhuay hunto kya.
Tu ni kiho na buhay nate tuwang nate kigena aman le damta kinon ngai hiya azotia why i problem teng teng wi thei sau hiya why kigen kitina aman le kahong ho a na thuak na te non genwa kahong za kahong ho hi hoi ka sa aziak chu no kamma ma panin ka za mo why cha aman ka solution hong om de hi chia athugen te hopeful ma mo ko IT left to ki ho tanina
Actually to ay thilpu tu separate administration ka banga chiale.
Separate administration kigen ka why pinche to directly on answer kaya mo hilele ama stress to peace should prevail why cha banga yai twal thatte kong swatang lo didan mo why cha banga CBI judicial committee chi hong le om di mo yai handle di.
Okay, kipa huay oh.